depend if I'm here depend it, or if I blip on it. If a Roger take man in the Pampers, it depend it. So why you can't get caught with your friend? And the man in the Pampers want to hear about you are grinding your friend. That me want to hear about.
Hi y'all, it is your girl Annabelle Ends back with the live with Rosealee. So guys, one pasa. Please like, share, comment, and please subscribe. Bye bye y'all. Mwah.
If I'm here depend it, or if a blood clot bling, you depend it. If a Roger take man in the Pampers, it depend it. So why you can't get caught with your friend? And the man in the Pampers want to hear about you are grinding your friend. That me want to hear about. If a rebel leader, they pan it. Yeah. So the governor go ask him, want him friend will take grinding at the Pampers. I eat who want you, but come know you see it. Come know my opinion send the video. I know Martin get it. Because them alone as long as walk around and chat people. Your moderator them walk around and seek out people business and tell you. So your moderator them a seek out share take grinding at the Pampers. So tell if you come talk. If anybody else on TikTok did not take man at the Pampers, when you're upon them for weeks, I never try to get to push it tonight. So why you can't talk about your friend at the Pampers? We want to hear about it. Months at the pan, we want to hear about it. We want to hear if your friend the rub look at Destiny on the man crutches when she take him to the Pampers. Me die for ear. Me want to she apply look at Destiny. I know when you have on Pampers, your piece is easy for shave. Me want to she have the man did have on Destiny. Yeah. Like when you can't find my mother name cock. I want to find your friend that take man in a Pampers. Yeah. Because the school children in England, I'm cocking up. But I know the school children in England now grind no sick man in a Pampers. No sick batty man. Depends, man. Adva. Someone want to ask the whole TikTok district if this really look like blood-clad boxers. A boxers that? A boxers that? That are boxers? That look like boxers? The addiction. I like them. Ain't no anybody else. She bother with the me say make it Ivani. Make it was Ivani. And that's why I don't know someone who's long and listen to the old John crowd him two mouth. Mountain I go post up because I'm bestie. I'm not post about them friend. I'm not gonna post it up. I'm friend. What? But hello, leave him, make him stay. Cause him not trouble me, I'm not decide for trouble him. Cause he's a fair person in life, you know. You understand? And a bomb's time yet. We are talking about the pampas. The pampas we are talking about. The pampas. Ask Shibana about, we know why you're not about Rosealee. We know why you're not about nothing about the bad boy. You're talking about the pampas story. And it was Ivani, me, Triple, Royal Dog Wife, somebody where you not like pay that bring them down to the ground. But you're not talking about because of your friend. But me I wait for you rub she, me I wait for you she rub you the wrong way. Cause I know say she look friend for you in Shabbat and you really want a friend for her, you know, cause you can't tame. Me I wait until she rub you the wrong way. And me know she gonna rub you the wrong way, you know. It's either she gonna go get somebody where you like, or group up with somebody where you don't like. Yeah. Either. It's either she gonna go with somebody where she go get somebody where you don't like, or group up with somebody where you don't like. I just gonna rub you the wrong way, I gonna come on, come talk. Talk about your friend where I take the man of the pampas. I that to want to hear about a dip on my name. If I did Ivan, I dip on it. If I me, and I let it go. If I Urban, I know you dip on it. The hood don't even have any robbers. Rah. This is a beer infection another one all day. Beer shit stay another one all and I don't want to come argue with people on TikTok. Beer shit stay another one all day. Another one passage, not one passage. Beer shit. Cause me could never in my right mind. I must see it claps. Apocalypse a come. Me never see no woman. Me know people suck hood, suck pussy, take golden shower. But me never know say people could have take man in a pampas. She break the record. Me not call that freak shit, but they look at that man have a fetish. I broke she, I saw them broke her hungry now. She broke her. I wonder how much money that man they PR. She better can't talk about me. She better ever talk about your low life, less class friend. You ever talk about your low life, less class friend. Low life, less class, weak and leak friend. We're sitting over there yesterday I beg Queenie for bit while son tea girl. And Queenie said, who you talk? You talk, go do that yourself. Only today. But pick up Rosealee and pull on Rosealee anytime you want. You can't put me up and put me down nowhere. Cause you can't cuss me. You can't walk and dig up. Me can't clap on you for that. When you come on to cuss, you can't cuss me. You can't walk and dig up. But you can't cuss. Cause me I tell you say you leak till you're weak. You leak till you're weak. You laugh and piss a fly, you run, fuck up, you piss up yourself, I go bathroom in a girl. Piss up yourself, I go bathroom. You leak till you're weak. But you take me up and put me down when you want to smarty. You not live the life on the internet and on the pan. So now, no life. No life. Peer chauffeur driven relationship. You come by you come, you don't happy. Cause me could never say do life and have Jake. Me could never do life. I have blood clad Jakes. Being me like him, I repeat what me a pussy clad say. Our Jakes are enough sub. I don't like enough man, you know. Me could never have Jakes so that me right through. Jakes are gonna lie down on the piece of bed. Our stomach a kill her, pay bad come. And she said, Queenie, me want something. Queenie said, we are talk. Get up and go ball at yourself. Where? You don't want to come from blood clot social media. I pay a picture, I want to see crowd of people. This is me could have tell Jakes, go boy, I want a cup of tea, give me, and I got to get up myself. And I said, when me done boil, I said, see the gate there. Yeah? Yes! Coming out there with no man let me feel, but him can't boy, I want a cup of tea, give me. Him supposed to say, come me baby. Drink, see it here. One cup of tea. We could have saved my life. You can't get a mango boil, give me. Nobody crowd over there, say 30 people over there, say the people. 30. Yeah. 30. When you run Shay history now. Shay them a dirty foot girl, you know. In a dance with them foot skin out, so. When you run Shay history, any place put her up, you know. She has such a dirty girl. Dirty girl with dirty foot. I was in a dance, a skin out underneath her. You're not a lady. You're not a lady. You're not a lady. Even when you go out with Queen, you see you in a dance. You're not a lady. It's a germs. Cause me go out with my partner. Me must get set up some my partner rock two tune. When I go out with a man different when I go out with girlfriend. Just to show us that the germs still in you have it a yard and your cat go abroad with you. You have it a yard and your cat go abroad with you. Cause me no woman who go dance with them partner. Stand up and behave ladylike. You don't have no lady in you. Big dirty germs. You come like wingwork and blood clot sister side. You come like wingworm and sister side. How can you go dance with them and say ya? You know the club you want to come on the internet, come argue with people. And if you come down now, leave peacefully. You want to dig up everything about everybody. I forgot to say that take a sick man in a sick batty man in a pampas. Cause clearly I don't know for the people that see the video. Clearly they don't see, but I see. There's nothing wrong with the man, you know. There's something wrong with the man bottom. So it's a batty man you're taking at the video. First they say a long time video lost here. Then they say a baby father. Then you say a boxers. The video shot at the man at the pampas. The first video in the people. She try to go up on the man and whine like forget the man rifles. Go up on the Instagram story there quick. Grab it fast and run quick. And come back, come tell me the story. See it there, grab the Insta. See the Instagram them a pin, run, go look on it now and come back, come tell me the situation. How it go? Not 24 per hour the at. Not 24 hour per day, the at. IGV the at. The at where they go and go look. And them the girl that come out and argue with people. Come baby, I love where my life share. Me want to see it. You ever go on Telegram or Instagram? You go on Telegram. You know urban? Going to urban. Going to urban. Going to urban. Going to urban. Message urban. Urban put on an IG bio. Go message Urban. Then Oreo go find the Oreo. Oreo. You have WhatsApp? You can send it on WhatsApp, please. Okay. Me Oreo. Over the ask her, she did live and say she exposed herself, my love. She like a dog. My dear. But Oreo, you make the sacrifice, Gally. Oreo, I found it, you.